Welcome to Sam Podcast.
Enjoy listening to English every day.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Season 3 of the Sam Podcast. We'll be talking about business plans this season with me, Mr. Sam. Today, we have a thoughtful and passionate guest joining us in the studio, Miss Olivia Carter, a bookstore consultant and former literature teacher who has helped independent bookstores survive in the digital age. Olivia, welcome to the Sam Podcast.
Thank you so much, Mr. Sam. I'm really excited to be here. And I heard we're going to debate again?
Of course, it wouldn't be Season 3 without a little argument. Let's begin with the executive summary. In my opinion, the executive summary must clearly describe the bookstore's purpose, target customers, and financial expectations. Simple, professional, straight to the point.
I agree it must be clear. But for a bookstore, the executive summary must also communicate identity.
Identity.
Yes. Is it a children's bookstore, an academic bookstore, a cozy cafe-style bookstore? That matters.
But investors care about profit, not poetry.
And customers care about atmosphere, not spreadsheets.
Fair enough. So you're saying the executive summary should include both vision and business model.
Exactly. For example, our bookstore will focus on curated fiction, local authors, and community reading events targeting young adults and families.
That sounds inspiring, but also expensive.
You always think about expenses first.
Because reality comes quickly in business. Now, let's talk about market research. Honestly, opening a bookstore today is risky. Online platforms dominate.
Yes, but physical bookstores are making a comeback in many cities.
Really?
Yes, people miss the experience, touching books, browsing shelves, attending author events.
But we must analyze local demand carefully.
Absolutely. In the business plan, include population demographics, literacy rates, education level, existing bookstores nearby.
And online competition.
Of course.
So the market research section must answer one key question. Why will customers buy from you instead of ordering online?
Exactly. And that's where community engagement becomes important.
Let's be practical. Who is the target audience for a bookstore?
That depends on the concept. Students, parents, professionals, hobby readers.
You can't target everyone.
Correct. That's a common mistake.
So in the business plan, you must clearly define your primary and secondary customer groups.
Yes. For example, primary, university students aged 18 to 25. Secondary, teachers and academic professionals.
Or maybe families with children for a children's bookstore.
Exactly.
And once the target is defined, inventory decisions become easier.
Yes, because you won't stock books nobody wants.
Location again becomes important.
Always.
I believe bookstores need visibility, busy commercial streets.
I disagree slightly.
Oh?
A bookstore can succeed in a quieter area if it creates a strong community atmosphere.
But foot traffic matters.
Yes, but rent in busy areas is high, and bookstores have lower margins compared to other businesses.
That's true. Books often have fixed prices from publishers.
Exactly. So your business plan must compare rental cost versus expected sales.
Include monthly rent projections, customer traffic estimates, and break-even analysis.
Now you sound like me.
Let's talk about inventory. Obviously, books are the main product.
Yes, but modern bookstores often sell more than books.
Like what?
Stationery, notebooks, bookmarks, gifts, even coffee.
Diversification.
Exactly. Additional products increase profit margins.
So in the business plan, include categories such as fiction, nonfiction, children's books, academic books, stationery, gifts,
and estimate percentage contribution of each category to revenue.
That requires careful forecasting.
Yes, and realistic numbers, not optimistic dreams.
Where will the bookstore get its books?
From publishers and distributors.
Should a new bookstore work with many suppliers?
Yes, but carefully. Some publishers require minimum order quantities.
So cash flow planning becomes important.
Exactly. In your business plan, explain payment terms 30 days, 60 days.
And return policies for unsold books.
Very important. Some distributors allow returns, others don't.
Marketing for a bookstore must be creative.
Yes, finally, something we agree on.
Opening events, book signings, reading clubs,
Author talks, children's storytelling sessions.
and social media promotion.
Absolutely. Instagram posts featuring new arrivals, Facebook event announcements.
So the marketing section of the business plan should include branding strategy, social media plan, community events, budget allocation,
And measurable goals like monthly sales targets and event attendance numbers.
Running a bookstore sounds peaceful, but it requires organization.
Very true.
The business plan must describe staffing requirements, opening hours, inventory management system, customer service policy.
And event management procedures.
Yes, if you host weekly events, you need planning.
Also, consider layout design. Comfortable reading spaces encourage longer visits.
Longer visits may increase purchases.
Exactly.
Now we reach the financial plan.
Deep breath. This is where dreams meet numbers.
Startup costs include rent deposit, renovation, shelving and furniture, initial inventory, marketing launch, licenses.
And monthly expenses, rent, salaries, utilities, restocking, event costs.
Revenue projections must be realistic.
Yes, don't assume every visitor buys a book.
So calculate average sales per day and average price per book,
And include break-even analysis.
plus emergency fund.
At least 3 to 6 months of operating costs.
Bookstores face special risks.
Yes, online competition, changing reading habits, economic downturn,
Also unsold inventory.
and declining interest in physical books,
So in the business plan, include risk mitigation strategies.
such as hosting events, building loyalty programs, diversifying products.
I believe bookstores are driven by passion for reading.
Yes, but passion alone cannot pay rent.
You're always practical.
Because bookstores close when owners ignore financial discipline.
So what's the balance?
Create a bookstore with heart, but manage it with strategy.
That sounds wise. Let's summarize how to write a business plan for a bookstore.
Executive summary with vision and identity.
Market research and competitor analysis.
Clear target audience definition.
Location analysis.
Product and inventory strategy.
Supplier relationships.
Marketing and community engagement.
Operational planning.
Financial projections and break-even analysis.
Risk management strategies.
And long-term growth plan.
Olivia, this discussion was intense but inspiring.
I enjoyed debating with you, Mr. Sam.
And to our listeners, if you're dreaming of opening a bookstore, remember, a strong business plan is not just paperwork, it's your guide.
Write it carefully. Think realistically. Dream responsibly.
Thank you for joining Season 3 of the SAM Podcast. We'll see you in the next episode.